Hi everyone, aging is a natural process that is happening to all of us all throughout the year. In this video, I will be telling you some quick tips, some skincare routines and lifestyle changes that you can make to reverse the clock. If you are interested in more such informative content on skin and hair, then please subscribe to our YouTube channel. In this video, I will be covering all aspects of anti-aging, including factors that may be triggering the anti-aging, skincare tips, lifestyle changes and dietary changes that can help you reverse the anti-aging, your nighttime skincare routine according to your age, collagen peptides, anti-aging treatments that are available at dermatology clinics according to your age. So let's get started. So first, let's see the factors that may be triggering your aging process. The most important thing is the sun exposure or UV rays. Second is a diet that is lacking in proper nutrients, stress, alcohol and smoking, and pollution, especially if you are residing in a populated and polluted city like me. So now let's see the skin changes that one may notice if they are aging. The skin becomes dry and there is fine lines and wrinkles. This happens because of loss of elastin and collagen tissue. Also, you will see age spots and pigmented and dull skin. There is loss of volume, so there is hollowing around the eyes. You will see loose skin on the lower half of the face, that is the jowls. The skin also becomes very thin, and which is why aged skin might bruise easily. Now here's a list of skincare changes and lifestyle changes that you can incorporate to reduce the signs of aging. Use the right sunscreen. Use a broad spectrum sunscreen and apply a sunscreen even if you are indoors. Use the right moisturizer according to your skin type. Use gentle face washes. Do not use harsh face wash as your skin is drying as you're aging. Take proper diet that is rich in vitamins, antioxidants and nutrients. Increase the protein intake. Vitamin C and vitamin E are anti-aging antioxidants, so incorporate these in your diet. Take proper sleep because sleep is the time when your skin is repairing itself. Reduce your alcohol and smoking because alcohol breaks down the collagen, causes puffiness around the eyes, and both smoking and alcohol can increase the fine lines and wrinkles. They can trigger the process of aging, hasten the process of aging. Do not take stress. Stress not only affects your mental health but also triggers hormones that may hasten the aging process. So exercise, meditate, do yoga, do whatever it takes to reduce your stress levels. Don't ditch fat. Not all fat is harmful for your body. There is good fat also, which is good not only for the skin but also for your heart. So increase the intake of good fat, which will keep the skin supple and moist. I hope you are finding the video informative. Increase your water intake to keep your skin supple and hydrated. Incorporate honey in your diet. Honey is a natural humectant. It absorbs water, so you can incorporate in your diet as well as apply it on your skin to keep the skin moist and hydrated. Do not use very warm water for bathing because it can strip the natural oils from your skin. Use a humidifier when you are indoors, which maintains the humidity levels of the room. Like I said, sleep is the time when your skin is repairing itself, so night creams form an important part of your anti-aging regime. So what are the creams that you can apply in the night? If you are in your late 20s, then you can apply creams with vitamin C or alpha hydroxy acids like glycolic acids. Also, hyaluronic acid based creams are important because they increase the moisture content of the skin, they attract water and therefore make the skin hydrated, supple and tight. Remember, you cannot use creams which are retinol based if you are pregnant, lactating or planning to conceive. So do not use any creams without the recommendation of your dermatologist. Collagen is naturally present in our body, and it is one of the important building blocks of skin, hair and nails. And with time, the collagen breaks down and the production of fresh collagen also goes down, which is why you will notice that as you age, the firmness of the skin goes down, the skin becomes dehydrated, and there is appearance of fine lines and wrinkles. Anti-aging is almost always a multi-pronged approach. Night creams alone might not help. So if you are looking for procedures that give you faster results, longer lasting results, or something that is quick, then you should see a dermatologist. There are a lot of treatments available at dermatology clinics. Your dermatologist will assess your skin, discuss your skin concerns, tell you in detail about all the treatment options that are available, and then suggest a skin treatment for your skin type. If you are a young adult, then you may do well with mild procedures like derma rollers. A derma roller or microneedling or collagen induction therapy works by rolling the instrument on your skin. This instrument produces micro channels on your skin. If you are slightly older, you may require aggressive procedures like laser resurfacing. Laser resurfacing is done with the help of ablative lasers. These lasers remove the superficial layer of the skin, boost the collagen production. There will be a little bit of downtime, but as your skin heals, you will see that the fresh skin that comes up will be glowing and firmer. Laser resurfacing is good for you if you are looking for textural improvement of the skin. But if you are looking for firmness, tightness and lifting of the skin, then you may do well with monopolar radio frequency. This is a laser that works at the dermal level of the skin and works by lifting the skin. You may also require HIFU or high intensity focused ultrasound that works on the structural levels of the skin and lifts the skin. If you are looking for a procedure that works on the dry, dull, dehydrated and damaged skin, then hyaluronic acid infusion is also a good option. Hyaluronic acid improves the elasticity and hydration of the skin. If you have a lot of hollowness around the eyes or deep jowls on the lower half of the face or laugh lines or sagging cheeks, then you may do well with dermal fillers. Dermal fillers are pre-filled collagen syringes. These are injected on areas where we see hollowness, and you will see an instant lifting and filling up of the skin. Hope the video was informative. For more such informative content on skin and hair, please subscribe to our YouTube channel and hit the bell icon for latest updates.